Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Jardin Switzerland Hair Serum. So you should buy this hair multiplier serum or not, and does it really work or it's another scam. So in this video we will cover lots of information, so let's get started. So first of all, as you know, like this is a hair multiplier serum. Basically, if you are facing any issue related to hair fall and all, then this brand claims like you will get amazing results, and they have provided some kind of reviews on their social media, you can say like on their website. Like they have you can say like lots of customers are getting benefits like this one. Okay, so if you really want, you really interested to know like does it really work. So basically I want to tell you like these kind of hair serums will give you results, but it will take time, approx 90 days, or you can say like 3 months. Minimum time period is like 3 months. Okay, so the costing of 3 months supply is like $208 approx, and the costing is like very high, approx like 16,000 INR, Indian currency. This is a very big amount. And after using these kind of hair serums, the results is you can say like we can say temporary, or results there is no guarantee like you will get benefits, and there is no you can say like proofs like it will really give you benefits, because the reviews available on their website are all stolen from some other resources. Like you can see, we have found one review. This is available on their website, like this one lady, or you can select this one image. This image is available on their website, and this image is stolen from here. Like you can see over here, this is the product. Product is you can say like Cara stage. Okay, so this is the product, and in the review section they have provided this image, edit image. Okay, and this image is used by this brand. Okay, so how is this possible? Why they are using others images? So it means their review section is looking like a fake one. Okay, and they are also not available on Trustpilot, so they should available on Trustpilot. And if we talk about like the website is approx, you can see over here, 1 year from now. So it means the website is approx like 1 year old, and the brand is also like 1 year old brand. This is a very newly launched brand. Okay, so if we talk about like these kind of you can say like images, these kind of images making in AI, making by AI in today's time, it's not a big task. And my suggestion is only this: save your hard-earned money. If you're really facing any issue related to hair fall and all, then you should consult your doctor, and then they will guide you and they will provide you some solution. Don't try to invest your money in this kind of product. Okay, and you can also see like Jardin serum really worth it. So you can see over here, I recently purchased 3 months back. I have been only about a month, so long enough it share any significant results. So you can see, you can check out some reviews on this Reddit, and I think there is a minoxidil also they have using. Like I think it will not work, because in today's time this problem is a very common, and there is no such kind of reviews is also available. It means they don't have so much customer base also. Okay, so basically my suggestion is only this: save your hard-earned money, don't invest any money in this kind of product. They will not work. Okay, and if we talk about like the refund and returns, so basically if you have already used any you can say like product, then how you will get your money back. Okay, so there are no chances to getting your money back if you have already used the product. Okay, so be safe, be secure, and if you have any experience, please share your thought in our comment box. So bye bye, thank you.